So let's talk about B3. B3 is coin called Base, and I'm covering this coin for the first time. It's sitting right now at 0022, which is 0022, 0.0022. And we are going to talk about its life, how long this project will live, would it do good, would it do bad, and of course I'm going to discuss why this project will die, what would be the reasons for it, or why this project will survive and it will keep on flying, and this is something that you should hold for next 5 years, or it is something that you should only invest and hold for only 2-3 months instead of 3 years, 5 years. Why? Because I see it as a bad project. And of course we're going to look at its economy, the overall tokenomics, and in the end we are going to look at the chart, the technical analysis, where you can buy at what price, where you can sell, you can take an exit. If you haven't already purchased, you can make a better decision in buying by looking at the chart. And of course, if you're trying to sell, that will help you as well. So let's get started. Let's see what the hell this project is about, because I'm looking at it for the first time, so I have no idea what they do. And this analysis will help us. So this coin B3 is about a layer 3 on base chain. So basically, it is a layer 3 blockchain that is launched on a layer 2 blockchain. Base itself is a layer 2 on Ethereum. So basically they are utilizing low transaction fees and faster technology as their basis to go about this stuff that they're doing. What they're doing, they are helping gaming industry in crypto. Gaming has its own series of projects that fall under into gaming, like you have Gala, you have Mana. Mana is kind of gaming, and then you have what is that famous XZ Infinity, Access. You have series of projects around gaming, and of course some new ones as well. So they're trying to help that industry by utilizing this scalable low cost transaction layer 3 project called B3. That's their sales pitch. But what I see as a flawed or a problematic area with this project is the fact that they're touching an industry that is struggling throughout. Unfortunately, gaming industry is seen as a metaverse concept. Metaverse is down, so is gaming industry down. So are all the coins that are around gaming, they are down. Apart from that, when we talk about its inflation, this coin has over 500% inflation, which makes it a slow bleed in a longer run. People who are uneducated, they will call it a slow rug, but it is not. It is not a slow rug, it's just that there is too much inflation in it. And when a coin has this kind of inflation, in the long run, it generally turns into a disaster. Not this coin's fault, it's just that the tokenomics of this project are horrible. This is launched somewhere around February 2025 this year, and so far it has gone down more than 99% from the peak up till now, and of course there is no stopping to it. So far the inflation that we have seen in this coin is around 52%. As the time passes, it will inflate by 100%, then 200, 300, and eventually 500%, which means that this is not a project which would hold for multiple years. If you're in love with it, buy it, hold it till November, December, which is in a month or two. That's the maximum holding. After that, get the hell out of it. It is not something that you should hold for a longer period of time because of the way it is designed. Other than that, in short term, of course, you can make money with it. There is always an opportunity. So let's look at its graph. The graph is really interesting because it is in a perpetual downward trend. If you look at it, this is on daily and it is continuously stuck under this red line. But right now, it is trying its best. It tried here, and it is again trying here to break out. Once it breaks out of this red line and it starts going above this support area, which is 0025. Yes, it is. Then I would be expecting it to start pumping crazy. The first target that we have you wouldn't believe it is more than 100%. It is 0054, which is more than 100% move. Basically an opportunity to do a 2x on this coin. All we need to see from this coin is to break this red line by basically going towards 0025. After that, it would already kick in the upward journey and it would move up by 100% by hitting the area of 0054. And after that, of course, I'll come back and I'll let you know, can it actually lose a zero and go to 1 cent, which is 0.01, which from here is a 400% move. Anyway, that's pretty much it with this coin. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.